Morning, welcome back to the channel. Well, I am getting around and I'm not doing too much this last couple of days. It's now Wednesday morning. I came here on Monday morning, fresh up from the New Forest where we were, and it was cloudy and windy coming up there, and Monday it just got worse. Monday night there was a right wind, howling gale blowing through here. It got that bad I had to actually had to take the top down, lower it that is. I got too in there and I thought, well, the way the wind was going it could rip it off, do some damage at least, so down it came. And it plenty of rain overnight as well, as it happened. Yesterday, Tuesday morning, the wind had dropped a bit, which was good, except it then picked up a little bit and then it started raining again, and it just rained and rained. Light stuff to start with, then got heavier as the day went on and went right on till evening time before it finally eased right off. But by then the day was over. It did give me a bit of time to mess around on the computer, of course. Give me a chance to do the Newbury vlog. But here I am, Wednesday morning now, and I actually leave tomorrow morning. I'm actually at Stonehenge Camp. It's a nice little campsite. Nice little setup, a little bit basic here and there with some of the things, but I'm going to have a good look round now the weather's picked up a bit. Well, I'm still at the top end of my van there. This area here just looks like more campers than anything, although there has been one or two smaller motorhomes I've seen on here. I say mostly campers. There's some nice little lodges around here. One there, pod there, even a nice little carriage there, look. It's a good area. So just tents along here. Yeah. Somebody broken down. I shall head around that way. It goes way down there in among the trees. I'll have a look down there. Right, this is where they all come in. There's the welcome sign. There's a small reception. There's nothing too large on this place or posh. Nice little shop there, sell a few things. Not quite sure what. No booze, I know that. There you go, got some awards anyway. And it goes way off down here. Again, there's more of a dog kennel there. I'm told people do actually rent it. One next to it there, that's derelict. I'm pulling that down. I'm thinking of building something a little bit newer, I think, there. And the camp then comes right down here. Woodland Hazel Copse. Alright. Well, we'll go down here and have a look, see what we've got. Well, this is a nice little area down here. Oh, a secluded area. Two spare ones. Fresh water there as well. Quite a few empty. There don't seem to be any electric hookups or I say that, and there's one. And on that one, it's a nice little spot as well. Not sure what this is. We'll go on down there. It's got electric. There's the camper's kitchen there. And the gents is just at the back of that. And some showers there. I've just come right around to the end of that little bit. This is a footpath up here. We'll go see where this takes us. Wrong way. It seems to be a dead end. So where's the footpath? Well, there's definitely a sign there that says footpath, but I couldn't find one. There's a fella there in one of the pods down there. He doesn't know of a footpath either. I've come this way, comes back around to the front of the toilets and back around this area, and there's my van over there. And there's no footpath up that I can see. The wind's picked up a bit again and all at times. It's a little bit gusty, still cold as well. I've even put a sweater on since I started doing this morning. But, it's a good test for the new microphone I have as well. And the little furry bit on top. See how much wind it cuts out. Well, I've just had a walk right round the camp. It's not as big as what you think it's going to be, really. Some nice little pitches down the bottom end there. They're nice and secluded down there. But where it said footpath, well, I just could not see a footpath at all. I don't know where that's supposed to be. He said it goes up round there, right round the back, down by a river, and then cuts back again towards the pub, which is I think that's the Bell Inn, but that's right up by the 303 there. So I have no idea where that footpath is, whether I'll find it at all. The camp itself, though, it's adequate, you would say. You know, some of the toilet facilities, things, they're clean enough, but again, adequate. Just there's the footpath sign. Points this way, except for it's not that way. It's round here, out of sight. And round here. Right, I've turned right, heading down this way. Let's see where it leads me. Oh, there's a path out there. Right, well, I've come right along that path. Just come to another public footpath, but it's just open fields now. Presume that's the public footpath up there. I don't think we'll bother going that far today. It's a nice little place though. Oh, look at that over there I'm looking at. Oh, castle or church or something there. Ah, that looks nice. A bit nearer that, I think. turned round. I've come back round the other way. That's to the left as you come out of the camp. Headed down this way now. A few inscriptions on the telegraph pole there. Or electricity pole, whatever it is. And we're going down here this time. Yeah, still walking down the path. One thing you do see, look at that. A big thatched cottage there. Oh, that's good. So I've spotted where that church was. Walked a bit further. This is the River Till. Well, the river's got wider and it's a private river. Says over there. Looks a lot better here. Someone's been looking after it a bit. It's a bit deeper, a bit wider. Very nice. More or less the end of the footpath. There's a sign there. Only walk on designated footpath. I think we're heading back now anyway. It's a nice trout in there. Some small ones this side, like brown trout. There's a nice big fish. Can't see there now. There's like a lovely big rainbow down there. Yeah, well, this has been a strange camp really. First day, miserable, strong winds, very strong. Second day, rain all day. Third day, that's today still. Been beautiful, absolutely beautiful day. Bit chilly first thing, but once the sun got up really mid-morning, been lovely and warm. Had a nice walk right down the path, right down the bottom, down that way, and you can go either way, but I went right first, just to the end. It just comes to a field, and then I come all the way back and went down to the left and met the river down there. Bah, there was some lovely trout in there really was. But make a good walk with that. You could go a lot further and go right the way around if you really wanted, but I didn't fancy that one really today. So I'll sign this one off. It's a decent little camp. It's a nice little setup really. Unfortunately, I had to tell somebody off this afternoon. Blazing a ball about. Hit my van, that was it. They don't get two chances. We had serious words with them, but apart from that, you know, it's been pretty good. It's a lovely setup down there as well, I must say. Down the bottom half, it's some lovely pitches down there. But there we are, we're moving on tomorrow. First thing tomorrow morning, it's packed up and we set off Shrewsbury, the Vanlife Festival. That should be a good one. So keep watching, thanks for watching, keep subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. Ta-ra for now.